Good morning, ma'am. My name is Ronald Carolina from Group 8, and we are going to present our final presentation titled Automating Food House Order Management. Mugyako Food House, located in Santa Maria, Lagonoy, Camarines Sur. It is a food business under the leadership of Leon Monserrate. The organization is dedicated to provide exceptional culinary experiences to its customer. John Michael Monserrate serves as the key contact person for establishment, reachable at 093899-55043. Automating Food House Order Management. The focus of automation at Mojaco Food House revolves around enhancing efficiency and order management. This entails optimizing the tasks involved in receiving, processing, and fulfilling customer orders. By automating these processes, Mojaco Food House aims to streamline operations and elevate customer satisfaction.
Sub-processes of order management. 1. Order placement. Facilitating the seamless submission of customer orders. 2. Order processing. Efficiently handling and organizing incoming orders. 3. Inventory management. Monitoring and managing stock levels to meet demand. 4. Payment processing. Handling transactions securely and promptly. 5. Order fulfillment. Ensuring timely and accurate delivery of orders. 6. Order tracking. Providing visibility into the status of orders. 7. Reporting and analytics. Utilizing data for insights and decision making.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Jan Vincent El Villarin. Enterprise Data Model, or EDM. An enterprise data model is a visual representation of the relationship between entities, objects, or concepts within a database system. It illustrates how these entities are connected to each other through relationships and how they interact with one another. Business rules. A business rules establish the relationships, constraints, and conditions governing interaction between various entities within an organization, ensuring consistency, compliance, and efficiency in business operations. Ayo po ni ma'am ang sangwayang business rules na nagibo. Business rules. A customer places one or many order. One or many order generate one or many payment. One or many order requires one or many inventory. One or many payment confirm one and only one delivery. One and only one delivery contains one or many item. One or many item are handled by one or many staff. One or many staff handle one or many item. One or many item are contained in one and only one delivery. One and only one delivery is confirmed by one or many payment. One or many inventory is required for one or more or many order. One or many order is generated by one or more or one or many order. Order is placed by a customer. Ayo po ni ma'am ang sangwayang business rules na nagibo. Business rules. A customer places one or many order. One or many order generate one or many payment. One or many order requires one or many inventory. One or many payment confirm one and only one delivery. One and only one delivery contains one or many item. One or many item are handled by one or many staff. One or many staff handle one or many item. One or many item are contained in one and only one delivery. One and only one delivery is confirmed by one or many payment. One or many inventory is required for one or more or many order. One or many order is generated by one or more or one or many order. Order is placed by a customer.
This physical data model (PDM) is the structure of a database for managing payments, order, customer deliveries, inventory, items, and stuff within a system. Entities and their attributes. The entity customer has attributes which are name, email, address, and contact number. The entity order has attributes which are customer ID, order data, total amount, and status. The entity inventory has attributes which are item ID, quantity, last rest data. The entity payment has attributes which are order ID, amount, payment, data, and status, delivery person. The entity person has attributes which are order ID, delivery data, status, and delivery person. The entity item has attributes which are name, category, and description. The entity staff has attributes which are name, rule, contact, and hire data. This PDM captures the relationship between various entities involved in managing payments, order deliveries, inventory, items, and staff, providing a structured view of how data is organized with the system.
Good day, I'm Giselle Bruso. So this is our EERT in this project. An enhanced entity relationship diagram is basically a detailed map that shows how different parts of a database are connected. This EERD represents a system for managing various aspects of a business, including customers, orders, deliveries, staff, items such as food and beverage, payments such as COD, and cash and inventory. So this is our EERD in this project. First, we have a customer entity. The relationship between customer and order entity is one and only one customer submits one or many order. One or many order is submitted by one and only one customer. Relationship between order and item entity. Zero or many order contains one or many item. One or many item is contained in zero or many order. An item entity here is a supertype because it has a two subtype, which is food item and beverage item, which is a subset of an item entity or a supertype item. It has a partial specialization with disjoint rule. Partial specialization because not all attributes of the supertype apply to each subtype, and disjoint rule because it ensures that an item can only be classified as either a food item or beverage item, but not both. The food item entity, one, zero or many food item is supplied by one or many inventory. One or many inventory supplies zero or many food item. The relationship between order and staff, one or many order managed by one and only one staff. One and only one staff manages one or many order. Relationship between staff and payment. One and only one staff handles one or many payment. One or many payment handled by one and only one staff. A payment here is also a supertype because it has a two subtype, COD and cash subtypes, which is a subset of payment supertype. It has a partial specialization with overlap rule. Partial specialization because it indicates that not all attributes of the supertype apply to each subtype, and overlap rule because it allows an entity to belong to more than one subtype. The relationship between delivery, entity, and a COD. One and only one delivery offers one and only one COD. One and only one COD offered by one and only one delivery. The relationship between delivery and a customer. One and only one delivery received by one and only one customer. One and only one customer receives one and only one delivery. So this design ensures that each entity has its own set of attributes and relationships, allowing for effective management of orders, items, payments, and staff involved in this system. Thank you.
Good morning po ma'am, I'm John Vincent Villarin again. And i-represent na po si database kang sa mong napili na business. So ini po ang pangalan kang database niya, Foodhouse DB or Foodhouse Database. So sa loob po ang database na ni iga po igde sa mga table na hali po sa EERD. And each po na table or relation may mga values po igde sa loob ninda. To modify these values, igde lang po kita sa SQL. And then kung gusto ta po ngaya ma-display si mga information sa loob kang Foodhouse item na table, then type pa lang po si command. So iyon na po ma'am si SQL command para ma-display sa loob po kang food item na table. So execute lang po ining command, then iyon na po ini si mga laog kang food item.
Hindi man po ma'am sa select from beverage item, siya po sinag-display kang gabos na items na nasa loob po kang beverage item table. Sa pag-insert man po ma'am ng new beverage items sa loob po kang beverage item table, ayan po ini ma'am insert into beverage item. Tas yan po ma'am, may mga attributes man po siya diyan. Tas sa baba po, yan po si mga values na F1 po para sa attributes.
Select from item. This query is used to display the entire contents of the table name item. Inside the table item has item ID, item name, price, category, and description. Where item ID 13159. This SQL query selects data from table name item, kung saan ang item ID is 13159. It retrieves information related to item with ID 13159 from the database. But as you can see, no result is found kasi the item ID 13159 is not on the item ID list. The only available item IDs are 302, 132, 311, 679, and 150041.
Query to display all the items in the food item table. By typing the SQL select statement, select asterisk from food item. When executed, this query will return all the records and column from the food item table. Query to update the description of a specific food item. By typing SQL update statement, update food item, set description to juicy and flavorful burger steak, where item ID is 13159 semicolon. Then execute. So it updates the description of the food item with item ID 13159 to juicy and flavorful burger steak.
Query 1. Display all items in the beverage underscore item table. Asterisk. Select asterisk from beverage underscore item. The query retrieves all the items from the beverage underscore item table in the Foodhouse underscore database. The result will be a list of all beverage item available in the database, including details such as item ID, item name, description, and price. Query 2. Update the price of the specific beverage item. Update beverage underscore item. Set price equals 30, where item ID equals 0002. This query updates the price of the specific beverage item with the item ID 0002 to $30 in the Foodhouse underscore database. End result, the price of the beverage item with the 0002 will be updated to $30.